Hello students, this is planning lecture 5. This is important for Cambridge IGCSE chemistry and Cambridge O-level chemistry practical exam paper and alternative to practical paper. This is planning lecture 5. Please subscribe, like and share my channel. Let's move. Potassium chloride is a salt that dissolves in water. Potassium chloride dissolves in water. The solubility of a salt is the mass in gram of the salt that dissolves in 100 gram of water at a particular temperature. Means at a particular temperature, the mass in gram of salt that dissolve in 100 gram of water is known as solubility. The solubility of a salt is the mass in gram of the salt that dissolve in 100 gram of water at a particular temperature. The mass of salt that dissolve in 100 centimeter cube of water at a given temperature, at a particular temperature, at a definite temperature, the mass of salt is known as solubility. Now you are asking plan an investigation to determine the solubility of potassium chloride in water at 40 degrees centigrade. You will plan an investigation by which you can determine the solubility of potassium chloride in water at 40 degrees centigrade. Means at 40 degrees centigrade how much gram of potassium chloride dissolve in water at 40 degrees centigrade. The mass, you have to find out mass of potassium chloride at 40 degrees centigrade temperature. You are provided with potassium chloride and common laboratory apparatus. Let's move. At first, a known volume of water, known volume means 100 centimeter cube or 50 centimeter cube. So, or you can write a 100 centimeter cube volume of water is taken into a beaker using a measuring cylinder. You will take a beaker, a known volume of water is taken into a beaker using a measuring cylinder. At first you will take a beaker and using a measuring cylinder you will take a known volume of water, or you can take 100 centimeter cube of water. 100 centimeter cube is known volume. You will 100 centimeter cube water you will measure by using a volume measuring cylinder. Then the water is heated to 40 degrees centigrade. This water is heated to 40 degrees centigrade. This water is heated up to 40 degrees centigrade. And potassium chloride is added with stirring until no more dissolve. Until no more dissolve, water is, you will heat water until 40 degrees centigrade. Then you will add potassium hydroxide, potassium chloride until no more dissolve. That means at first you will add some potassium chloride, then stir, it will dissolve. Again you add a small amount of potassium chloride and stir, you will see that will be dissolved. Potassium chloride after adding some potassium chloride, you will see at a certain point potassium chloride no more dissolve. That means this solution is saturated. So the water is heated to 40 degree centigrade and potassium chloride is added with stirring until no more dissolve. The mixture is heated, the mixture is filtered. Potassium chloride is added until no more dissolve. Then the mixture is filtered. Then the filtrate is heated, or the filtrate is evaporated to the dryness. Dryness means when all water escape, all water go out. Then the filtrate means clear solution is heated, or the filtrate is evaporated to the dryness and solid is wet and the mass of solid is taken. Then you can find out how much solid is dissolved at 40 degree centigrade in 100 centimeter cube of water. Listen, at first a known volume of water is taken into a beaker using a measuring cylinder, or you can write your own language. Using a measuring cylinder, 100 centimeter cube water is taken into a beaker. Using a measuring cylinder, 100 centimeter cube water is taken into a beaker. Then the water is heated to 40 degree centigrade and potassium chloride is added with stirring until no more dissolve. Then the water is heated up to 40 degree centigrade and potassium chloride is added with stirring until no more potassium chloride is dissolved. Then the mixture is filtered. Then the filtrate means after filtration clear solution you will get. The filtrate is evaporated to the dryness. To the dryness means all water will remove and solid salt you will get at the bottom of the beaker. The filtrate is heated, or the filtrate is evaporated to the dryness and solid is wet and mass of solid is taken. This is planning. Thank you, dear students.